Start over. Do it, Kelsey.
Come on.
Oh, my phone's ringing. Get my phone out of my pocket. Who is it? Who is it? I seriously don't know who that is, because I don't know who has that ringtone.
Hello, Diana Moore.
I don't know a Diana. Who is that? Who was it?
Z.
Where'd Victoria go? Oh, she's all the way down there. Go for it. Kelsey, go underneath all the clothes and try to scare my sister. Where'd she go? Where'd she go? I don't know where she went. Ow, I can't fit through here. Oh, she's right there.
What are you doing? Oh my god. Are you trying to scare me?
Oh my god, Kelsey, I just like hit this pole and I almost turned around and apologized. It's like, I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. How are you doing?
I can't find any weird pants anywhere. It's all shorts. I wonder why.
How are you doing?
You know, I left my cup of water over there on that shelf.
Do you really want it?
Kind of. I'll get it later. I don't think I could fit through there again. Kelsey, act as crazy as you were before I started recording.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh my gosh, Kelsey.
I'm done.